standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
So, can you use all shimmers on the eyes? We're about to find out.
I have been reading the comments in regards to the Eloise Sahara Nights palette that is in the Boxycharm base box, and we're gonna try her. So I want to try and just use this palette. There's all shimmers in here. I'm wondering how we want to do this. I think this will be the day we use some tape. So if you've got masking tape, grab it. If you are over 35, let me know that down in the comments below. You want to make sure your eye is nice and relaxed. And just go right by the corner there. Yeah, make sure the tape is good. Okay. Now let's get started. I'm kind of excited. I mean, these are all shimmers, but I'm gonna go in with this blending brush, and let's go ahead and, should we do the inner part first? Miami. That looks like a beautiful color. All right, we might have to go in with a different brush because I'm kind of wanting this. Yeah. All right. I want it to be where you can really see it. And it's always a good idea to use some setting spray when you are using shimmers. It definitely helps. Let's try City Lights first. I'm gonna put this on a large shader. Definitely gonna tap, but then we're gonna start at the inner corner. We're not gonna worry about no cut crease, nothing like that. We don't have down a transition shade, so what I do have eye primer on. I have Jacqueline's eye primer. Oh wow, okay, so that just really took a chunk out of there. These shimmers feel like butter, for real, like for real. But look at that, that's beautiful. Oh, okay, we can definitely deal with that. Now it's bunching up a little bit, which is fine, because all you need to do is take a blending brush. You can use a fluffy one. Let's go in with Jack. Nope, this is a Luxie. Let's do a Luxie. And we'll just like circular motions and blend it. Just take a little time doing this. You might get a little bit of fallout. No big deal, because most of the time we highlight the inner corner and underneath anyway. But look at how gorgeous that is. Sometimes to wear all shimmers, you want to do it like a certain way and blend it out a certain way. Now look, anything that was bunched, and hopefully the camera picked it up, is gone. Now apply color with one brush, blend with another. Don't add anything to that blending brush. It works beautifully. All right, so Cocktail Hour I'm liking. Disco I'm liking. All right, let's go ahead. Do I want Cocktail Hour? Yeah, let's do Cocktail Hour because it just looks amazing. It's a little bit darker, which I like. The inner corner light and the outer corner dark. It does help my eyes look a little bit bigger. All right, make sure you tap. And then here we are. We've got our tape here as a guide, so just go ahead and be crazy and get that shadow on. Look at that. That's pretty. I know some people will not put shimmers in their crease, but you can. You can. Just gotta make sure they're blended nicely. Look at that. And you can even go a step further and put something right in the middle, something super light if you want to. Something from this palette you can, but I mean, you've already got such a glow right here. That's pretty amazing. But if you wanted to take it a little bit further, because you know some of us are extra, and you can go in with a liquid highlighter on the lid, or something like Jacqueline's Beaming highlight. It's just like, oh, an added oomph. Okay, like, look at that. Like, and then you could just, do you see that? Like, that's insane. But you want to blend it in. Oh, that is insane. You can add some liquid liner, especially if you're going to use a lash. I would definitely add some liquid liner. Depending upon the band that you use, it'll be easier to hide if you use liquid liner. Underneath, what do I want to do? I think we're going to smoke this out, and we're going to use a different color. Get a mini round brush like this. Definitely use some setting spray. Oh, this color, Las Vegas. Okay, we ready? Gonna lay down this color. Oh, that just went down so easy. That's gorgeous. Just want to get it a little bit darker. This would be good where you could use a gray or charcoal liner on your waterline instead of black if you wanted to. It would just add to it. Let's see what I got for a liner over here. I have the Tresloose in this bronze color. Not exactly what I'm looking for. Let's see what else I got right here. I know I've got black. I've got Kylie's black. I've got Tresloose black. I've got Gwen's black. I know I've got charcoal, like a gray charcoal over here. Yep, I've got L'Oreal Infallible. When was the last time I used a drugstore product? Let's go with this. Oh, just watch how this makes a difference. Yes, but you do want to blend her a bit. Ah, you can even take this color up just a little bit, you know. Okay, I know you guys love a good tape pull, so I'm gonna do it. I was gonna do it off camera, and then I was like, no, they like it. Karen, the tape is the best part. That's what you always tell me, and y'all know I love you. Okay.
Okay, so I'm all finished except for that liquid lip that was definitely not my color. I do have a Boxycharm video where I unbox my base box, and I can link that in here for you. But overall, I do like the Sahara Desert palette. It is not something I would have bought, but I'm really glad that I got it, and I probably will take that on trips with me along with some neutral palettes, just in case I want to match the shimmer with a matte foundation, or I'm sorry, a matte eyeshadow. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and thank you so much for being here, guys. I will talk to you real soon in another video.